Thank you, Isabel. I am Julie Battilana, and I'm delighted to join you today from Boston. So it's my pleasure to give you an overview of what has happened over the past 5 years. Over that time, the Democratizing Work initiative has evolved from an initial embed, as Isabel reminded us, into a set of concrete scholarly works and public interventions. So building on the original op-ed, which laid out the core principles of democratizing, decommodifying, and decarbonizing work, the core group has developed a more comprehensive book-length treatment of these ideas, building on our research across fields of social sciences. This led us to publishing the book Le Manifeste Travail in French in October 2020. The book provides both deeper theoretical grounding and more extensive empirical illustrations of the three core principles. It was subsequently translated, that book, and adapted into several other languages, including Portuguese, Italian, Dutch, and English. It's important to note that each of the translations actually involves substantive adaptations that engage national debates, differences in legal frameworks, and historical trajectories of labor relations across the different contexts that we discuss in the books. In 2021, as a number of you, I'm sure, remember, because I see you in and your names here in this virtual room, and I know many of you actually participated. In 2021, we organized a global forum on democratizing work that brought together more than 3,000 participants from 85 countries over the course of 3 days. The forum was designed to foster interdisciplinary dialogue and comparative analysis of the three core principles. It actually also laid the groundwork for a series of regional workshops that we organized over the past 4 years to examine how the initiative's core principles translate into diverse institutional and cultural settings. In the fall of 2022, we also initiated the Democratizing Work Global Workshop Series, which has been running for the past 3 years now, first with the support of the Economic Democracy Institute at Bard College, and then co-organized with the WageIndicator Foundation for the last 2 years. The goal here is to provide a venue for scholars and practitioners to discuss the developments and the challenges that they face in studying the three core principles and in putting them into practice. All the workshops, as I think many of you know, are recorded, and you can find them on the website of the Democratizing Work Initiative if you're interested in learning more about them and haven't had a chance yet to attend some of those seminars. Let me now turn to another milestone, which is a really important one. This year, the Spanish government appointed an international expert commission on democracy at work. The commission, that is led by Isabel Ferreras, was tasked with examining how Article 129 of the Spanish Constitution, which calls for the promotion of workers' access to voice, participation, and ownership in firms, might be implemented in practice. Although this constitutional provision had long remained dormant, the creation of the Commission signals real renewed political and institutional interest in questions of economic democracy. The Spanish government has specifically sought the Commission's advice on how not to treat democratizing work merely as a normative ideal, but as a viable constitutional and economic project. So this constitutes a major breakthrough in the democratizing work trajectory, and I am honored to be one of the experts participating in that commission. Last but not least, this year the University of Lille became the first university to establish a chair on the three core principles and the commons. And we should also let you know that next October, 2 new editions of our book on democratizing work will be released. One in German, one in Turkish, and again, both of those versions have significant developments and adaptations related to the German context and to the Turkish context. So as you can see, taken together, these developments illustrate how the Democratizing Work initiative has contributed to generating new lines for academic inquiry and research, informed debates across national and disciplinary boundaries, and how it has also intersected with emerging public policy efforts to revisit the governance of work. So now it's my pleasure to turn back to Isabel to facilitate the next portion of the meeting. Thank you.